Muy bien. Buen trabajo. Excellent job, guys. Very, very good job. So now we know all the greetings. I recommend you to write them also in your language, so you can refresh, you can keep it fresh and you know the meaning. Because later on we will see a dialogue using most of these greeting. Are you ready for that? Let's go there. Vamos allá. So, before doing the greeting, another topic we have in this unit is los pronombres personales. Very important. Personal pronoun. Very, very important to know. So in Spanish they are slightly different to English. Personal pronoun are slightly different to English. Let's see all of them. Let's start with yo, which is I, or like the lady in the photo, I, okay, yo. Tú means you, but in Spanish we have 4 U's. We are going to learn all of them straight away. The first one, tú, is you, informal and singular. So we use it only for one person and is informal. So I can use it with friends, with children, etc. But not in a formal conversation, okay? Tú, you, informal and singular. Take notes, guys. Next, él, with an accent here. Can you see the accent? Él means he, okay? Él. Ella, that's she, ella. Usted is the second you of the day. It means you, formal and singular. So it's the opposite to this one. So if you are talking in a formal conversation, if you're talking to an older person than you, if you are in a meeting with your boss, etc. So you use usted, okay? You, formal and singular for one person only. Then we have nosotros, nosotras. Why nosotros and nosotras? Because in Spanish we have gender in the pronoun. So you have masculine and feminine. So if it is a group of men, we say nosotros with an O here. Nosotros. If it is a group of women, then we say nosotras with an A here. Okay, nosotras. Nosotras, group of women. But what happens when it's mixed? Men and women together. Unfortunately, Spanish is a matches language. So if it is mixed, we use the masculine. So we say nosotros, okay, for a mixed group. Then, you number 3 of the day. Vosotros, vosotras. It means you, informal and plural. So for a group of people. Okay, you for a group of people, but informal. And it's frequently used, it's used basically in Spain. In Latin America, we don't use vosotros. I will tell you later on which one we use instead. So vosotros, you, informal and plural. And here we have the same situation with the gender. So if it is a group of men or mix, vosotros. If it is a group of women, vosotras. Okay, meaning you, informal and plural. Perfecto, chicos. Are you taking notes? Don't forget. Okay. Muy bien. Ellos is they. Masculine. Okay. Here again the gender. Ellos, masculine, masculino. Ellas, femenino, so a group of ladies. If you want to say they, meaning a group of ladies, then that would be ellas. A group of men or mix, ellos. And the last you of the day, ustedes. Ustedes is you, formal and plural. So if you are talking to a group of people in a meeting, in a formal meeting, then if you want to mean you, then you use ustedes. And this is the one that we use in Latin America instead of vosotros. Okay, meaning you to a group of people. Right, guys? Perfecto. So we got now the personal pronouns. So, excelente. Muy bien. So, let's read all of them together before we go into the exercise. So we have yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Something important here, guys, with vosotros, you know the V in Spanish, we don't pronounce it like in English. We pronounce it the same as the B. So we don't say here vosotros. We say vosotros, okay? Vosotros. You need to sound like a native. You remember? That's our goal. Don't say vosotros. Say vosotros. Okay? Muy bien. Ready for the next one? Ready for the exercise? You are. Let's go there. So, let's do an exercise now. Completa con el pronombre personal adecuado. Okay, here we are going to write. Don't forget to download the book, guys, and print it. Also, you have like a hard copy available on Amazon if you want to have like beautifully the book and write and everything. You have it on Amazon. I'm leaving the link here for you. But I also offer for you, we also offer for you the ebook in a PDF format so that you can download it, print it, and write there. But if you want to have the book, also is available. Perfecto, chicos. So let's start with number one. Who knows? Yes, you. Tell me. Número uno, number one. Yo. Perfecto. Yo. Okay. Número dos, number two. Tú. Muy bien, because it's only one person, no? Tú. Tú. Número tres, number three is already done here. Él, which means, sorry, he. Perfecto. Él. Muy bien. What about number four? How do you say she in Spanish? Ella. Perfecto. Número 5. Number 5. Usted is formal, you know, it's you formal. You can see he's wearing his tie here at work. Formal. Usted. Número 6. Here we have a group of people, mix. Okay, so which one do you think it is? How do you say we mix in Spanish? Nosotros. Muy bien. Nosotros. Número 7. Number 7. Two ladies here together. how do you say we for a group of women? For more than one. Exacto, correcto. Nosotras. Nosotras. Muy bien. Nosotras. Number 8. Número 8. It's already done here. You have a group of young people, informal, mixed. So, vosotros. Okay, this is you for a group of people, informal. Vosotros. A group of lady, informal. Okay. Vosotras. Vosotras. A group of people here, mix. Yeah, mix. So, meaning they. Ellos. Ellos. Two ladies, meaning they, for female, okay? Ellas. Ellas. Finally, last one. How do you say you, formal, for a group of people? Correcto. Muy bien. Ustedes. Ustedes. Okay, guys? So, let's recap. Write it in your book. So we have yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Perfecto, chicos. Muy bien. Buen trabajo. So, here we are finishing lesson 1 of our course. So, practice your Spanish. Visit our YouTube channel, My Spanish Lesson TV, for more videos to practice. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.